Hi, Scott and Julie with the Knowles Wolsey team. Welcome to our newest listing at 414 Blake Street.
414 Blake is the ultimate in convenient living. You're only steps to grocery and pharmacy, not to mention Barrie's ultimate waterfront and just a short drive into downtown. Let's go check out this gorgeous condo. When you're looking at condos, it's all about maintenance-free living, and with this suite, everything's been completely updated. The paint, the lighting, the flooring, it's all ready to go for you. Just turn the key and move in. Have a look at the size of that balcony.
This light-filled galley-style kitchen boasts new countertops, stainless steel appliances, and new vinyl flooring.
Not only is the inside of this suite gorgeous, but the hallways and lobbies have been fully renovated as well. On top of that, you got a great party room when you're hosting those big groups, not to mention a 3-season barbecue area outside.
For more information on this listing and others like it, check out our website.